Hi guys, back for another episode of our Cloud Saving Man vs. Balloon series. So this time we are going to be putting in our first map and adding a tracking system for the balloons. So I'm really excited about what we have to do this episode, and let's get started. So first we're going to hide our medals and create a new sprite. We're going to make it quite a big square, but not super big. Then we are going to make the costume 1, fill it in with white, then duplicate it. Make sure to duplicate it, okay? Put it here, and events when backdrop switches to backdrop 3 looks show. Events when flag click, hide. Okay? Events when backdrop switches, I'm going to want to repeat until, actually just put a wait until operators equals not. We are going to want to drag out a not. Looks backdrop name does not equal backdrop 3. And then we want it to hide. I probably didn't spell that right. There we go. And actually we're going to want to have a repeat until. Okay. Just throw that in. Hide. Looks switch costume to data cycle. Actually select. Yeah. So you can see actually which one is that. Probably this one. Yeah, I'll check it. Which one is it? I'm having like a complete brain fart here. What is it doing? Select. Okay. Left arrow and right arrow. Oh, I haven't clicked the flag yet. So I'll just log in. There we go. Select the map. Okay. So now you can see that it's actually like switching its costume, hopefully, switch costume to select costume. Oh, it's probably too high. Select look costumes. Why aren't you switching your costume to select? Oh, I put the wrong one in. That's not good. Not good. Okay, yeah, now it's working. So for costume 1, we are just going to make it green and then get our path in here. We're going to want to make that full. There we go. Just pull that down. There we go. And just pull this down. There we go. And just pull this one down. And then the map ends. So that is our first map, and it's going to be called Snake. Easy. There we go. Just put the name right up here. Scripts, events when this sprite clicked, paint a new backdrop quick, then go quickly back to this one. Where are you? Looks, events when this sprite clicked, control, if then, operators, equals, looks, costume, equals 1. Looks switch backdrop to backdrop 4. And then what we're going to want to do with these is hide, and hide. So we're going to test that out. Hello, there we go. Select the map, Snake. There we go. And the save will stay. But for the backdrop, what we're going to want to do is just dye it green. Get our path in. Actually, yeah, that works fine. There we go. And then here we go. Here we go. And then here we go. And then there we go. And then there. Okay, and then what we're going to want to do is just color this in. And then we are going to want to start designing our balloon. So we are just going to make it the red one first. There we go. Make it bright red. There. Scripts, events, control. When I start as a clone, control if then operators equals looks backdrop name equals backdrop 4. There. And then motion go to here. Then repeat. Let's see here. 400 times change X by 1. There we go. It's moving slowly. I'm just seeing if we're actually getting the right position here. And then it goes past there. We aren't getting quite the right position, so we're going to want to do 430. That's good. And then repeat. I would say it would be 80 times. Motion change Y by -1. Okay, so it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Come on, come on. Okay, then we'll go over there. Then we'll go down. And we haven't got it quite nailed yet, but we're going to just want to do 100. Then repeat 430 times. Change X by -1. And then we can just duplicate that script twice. Except we are going to want to do absolutely nothing. Except, yeah, we are going to want to do nothing. So we're just going to let it go here and see how it is working. So it goes, and then it goes down from there, and then it goes, and then hopefully this works. Okay, come on, go down. Oh, what are you doing, you silly balloon? Okay, so after the second one, we are going to want to do I don't understand what it's even doing anymore. So it goes, then it goes back, and then it starts changing X by 1, but we want to change the Y by 1, then change the X by 1. Then we want to change the Y, and then the X. Okay, so hopefully it's good now and not really weird. Okay, come on, yeah, it's going. And then it turned a bit too early, so change Y by, repeat maybe 120 times. Actually, 140 to make it work. And then that's a bit too early for the X, so maybe 450. And then change y by, okay, we'll just try it out. And maybe over here we should put another, just a 440. Because it's a bit close to the edge. And we want it to be centered. Okay, there we go. Come on, come on. Okay, it's going down now. There we go. Now it's going across again. And okay, come on, then turn. It goes a bit too far that time, so we're just going to want to set at maybe 70. Yeah, 70 sounds like a good idea. And then repeat 440. And I think that's good for the movement. And what we're going to want to do here is data, make a variable x. Okay. Make a variable y. Okay. Control data. Oh, make a variable position. And right now you might be wondering, how are we going to get it to actually track where the lead balloon is? Well, I've got your answer. So set position to what is it? So it's 180 plus 180, 360. 360. 36000. Yeah, because it's times 100. Operators minus, actually times, or divided by. Yeah, divided by. Actually minus y position. 36000 minus y position times 100. Y position times 100. And we're just going to want to switch that to actually 18 instead of 36. Operators plus data 480, well, 240 minus data x. Okay, so I'm just going to check that out. Oh, we're going to do forever. Actually, I'm just going to create clone and see if that works. For some reason, it isn't working. Set position minus, oh, that's why. Motion, y position plus x. So there you can see it. The position is changing for this balloon up here. And you can see this gradually getting bigger, but when it goes down, it'll get bigger really fast. So we know which level they're on. And yeah, I think actually what we're going to do again is we're going to do if then operators motion x position is greater than okay, because when it's going across here, it's changing the x by an amount. So the y is all good and well, but the X really just isn't. So what is it here? Because the balloon back here would be recorded in front of the balloon here. Actually, I think I got an idea. Control motion, go to X, Y 142, control if then, operator if then else, operators equals motion Y position equals 142. Set, do that. Actually, no, don't do that. Do 240 plus X position. And then if it isn't, control if then else. Okay, I'll just do a test run quickly. Motion Y. Okay, it's going, it's going, it's going. Come on, come on. And then it will start going down. If the Y position equals 42, do that. And then it will keep going, go down. And then if then it equals minus 98. And then duplicate this one, put it if then, Y position equals minus 168. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to try that out, create clone. So it starts off at a really low number and it starts to go up. Pretty good, pretty good. And then it will go down. Actually, wait. Control if then else. We'll do the minus for the else. So we actually get the measurement when we're going down. Okay, there we go. And then you'll see that it keeps going up and up and up. And then this way, it's decreasing for some reason. Okay, so which one was this? This was the second one from the bottom. So we're going to want to replace that with a plus. There we go, now it's increasing. And then now it's increasing again. So that's good for our tracking. So we're going to want to do control if then, and then grab out a greater than sign. Let's see here. Is there anything different? No, there isn't. If then, data 180 duplicate is greater than position. Do that. Okay. But right now, it isn't really working. So what we're going to want to do, if then else, operators letter 1 and or letter, so no, that's a plus. Okay, I got it. I got the idea. So yeah, I got the idea. If Y position. Is that an else? Yeah. Operator's length of data, well, motion, Y position is greater than 1. Well, to do that, but if it isn't, then do the other one. Okay, we're going to try it out. So create clone, create clone, create clone. And we are just going to want to delete clone. Actually, events when this right clicked, control delete this clone. There we go. Data set position to 0. Set position to 0. Come on. For some reason it won't set. That's really weird. Set position to 0. There we go. I'll try deleting that one. Okay, goes back to the next one. And then it will go down. Then do that one. And I'll see if it jumps back. Yeah, that's working. And set Y to motion Y position, and data set X to motion X position. Duplicate, 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 and duplicate again. There we go. Duplicate, 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 and duplicate. Okay, I'm going to try that out. Well, why are you setting the position? It's weird how it keeps setting itself back to 16507. Okay, so now this one is going, and create clone. Okay, so I'll pop him. It goes to the clone's position. That's good. Very good. Goes to the other clone's position. Pop him. Falls back to the other one. Okay, create clone. For some reason it isn't creating a clone. Pop him. Goes back to the other one. And pop him. And that is it for this episode. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.